Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount badge on Shopify. This is a fantastic way to highlight sales and special offers on your product pages, making them more eye-catching and encouraging customers to make a purchase. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. This will take you to your admin dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your store. After clicking Settings, you'll see another menu appear on the left side. From here, click on Apps. This section allows you to manage all the applications integrated with your Shopify store. Next, click on Shopify App Store. This will open up the marketplace where you can browse and install various apps to enhance your store's functionality. It's essentially like an app store, but specifically designed for Shopify tools and features. In the search bar, type Deco product labels and badges and click on it when it appears in the results. This app is specifically designed to help you add customizable badges and labels to your products, perfect for highlighting discounts and promotions. Now click Install. This action will redirect you to a new tab where the app will request access to some of your personal and store data. This is standard procedure for Shopify apps as they need certain permissions to function properly. Go ahead and click Install again to confirm. Wait until the installation process is complete. This might take a few moments as the app integrates with your store. Once it's done, you'll see an option to create badge. Click on it to start designing your discount badge. Find the section labeled Content and you can edit it to display your discount message. For example, you might type something like save 10%. This is what customers will see on your product pages, so make it clear and compelling. Then navigate to Products and click Select Products. This allows you to choose which specific items in your store will display the discount badge. Choose a product from the list and click Add. This ensures that only the products you select will show the badge, giving you full control over your promotions. After selecting your products, click the Save button located on the top right corner of the screen. This saves all your badge settings and applies them to the chosen products. Now click Enable App Embed. This step is crucial as it activates the badge display on your storefront. Make sure that the Deco toggle is switched on. This ensures the app is actively running and your badges will be visible to customers browsing your store. Finally, click the Save button on the top right one more time to finalize all your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a discount badge to your Shopify products, making your promotions stand out and attracting more customer attention. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.